Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Volkswagen in Crewe. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID3 Life. This vehicle features a 58 kilowatt battery pushing out 145 PS. This EV comes finished in a combination of Moonstone grey and black. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, across the front of the vehicle we'll find LED headlights with reflector technology. The vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the vehicle sits on a set of 18-inch East Derry alloy wheels which come in a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle we have a tailgate with a heated rear window, as well as a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. Taking a look into the boot area, there is a very large amount of storage space here, and inside for the rear passengers there is a 3-seater bench with some charging points in the middle. Moving up front to the front passenger and driver's seat, we have two foldable armrests for the driver and the front passenger, and in the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system is used to access things like climate controls, as well as including navigation and App Connect. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multi-function leather-trimmed steering wheel with touch controls. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID3 Life. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.